Hello everybody, welcome to Nana's Journey. I'm Deanna. Today we are going to do month 4 of the dragon fruit. And just an update, I was surfing YouTube and I saw that these units went together. I totally forgot to finish and put my units together into a block. So I'm caught up with that now. So sorry about that. And we are going to be doing 4 log cabins, 4 courthouse steps, 8 flying geese, and 4 log cabins. And we've done the exact same things in the past several videos, so I'm not going to show that again. I will show them to you when I'm finished and put together. So this is more of an update. We don't really do anything new until month 7, and then we take our log cabin and make a snail trail, so I will do that one for you. But let me get these cut up and made, and then I will be back to show you. Okay, I've got the units all finished and the block put together. There's 4 blocks. And if you want to know how these are done, if you want to see me do them, then there will be a link in the description box below where you can watch me make these. And I want to thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you next time on Nana's Journey.